And I mean, anytime that I get a unit from Nadula, I always like their hair. They have never sent me a unit that I didn't like. They just have amazing units, amazing customer service. And the only thing that I would say is that going forward, I wish that companies would just give us a true 13x4. Like, let's just make this a full frontal in the front. Like, give me a real frontal. I don't want to get a lace front unit and I'm limited as far as like styling goes because there's not enough space like in the front part.
To you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, you take me high. I can teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying detonate. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Lil vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort, so I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? I read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato, with Shawty getting to work. I can be your boyfriend, be your Vico, or a grand reverse. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bullock, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make you take me tries. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I do not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? Or is it peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. But that gorgeous face that don't know your name, it ain't important, baby, cause I'm on mine.
Fantasy,
Wow.
I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Nadula Hair, and today I'm reviewing something a little bit different. You guys know I have been doing a lot of curly hair reviews lately, and I've just been wanting to give you guys the best curly hair that you guys can possibly have this summer. A lot of the hair though recently has just been like the same color, and today I wanted to switch it up and do something a little bit more fun. They sent over this 13x4 Jerry Curly highlight unit, and it is so bomb. I love it because the highlights aren't just at the top. You know, I've received units that have highlights in it, but they don't put it like all throughout the hair. But with this unit, you guys, you get the highlights all throughout the unit. You get it in the back, you get it in the middle, you get it up top, you know, you get it all over. And I really like that about it. But I also like the fact that even though it does have the highlights, you still can see that this is like a jet black color along with the highlights. You know, it's not overpowering, and it's just literally the perfect mixture for both of the colors. Absolutely love how it turned out. And today I just styled my hair in a simple middle part. I did do some baby hairs, but because the hair is so full, it's kind of hard to even see them. This unit definitely can get a little bit overwhelming because it is so full. I'm going to put all of the hair up front, and you guys can really see, like, it's a lot. I would definitely say that this is 200 to 220% density. It's very full, but I will say as far as the construction of this unit, you may be limited as far as styling goes, because the construction of this unit is definitely one of those horseshoe type of units where majority of your parting space is going to be in the center, and then it gets shorter here on the sides. I would say you get about an inch of parting space here on the side. You could still do, like, you know, 2 ponytails if you wanted to. You can still do a half up, half down. You can definitely do those kinds of styles, but if you wanted to do like a deep side part, that's when you would have some issues. I would say that you definitely could go down in the density. You don't have to get something that's, you know, so full. You can definitely opt for like 180% density. It'll save you some money, and you'll still have just the right amount of thickness for this unit. So I would suggest doing that, because honestly, having this much hair in the summertime, it's way too hot for it. I'm just gonna be real, like, it's way too hot to have a unit this full. So I would definitely say go down in the density for this unit. But nonetheless, I do absolutely love it. I just did, you know, some simple swoops, you know, a swoop here, a little curly swoop there and there. Nothing too crazy, nothing you haven't seen before, but just a little something so it's not like too plain. So, you know, if the wind blows back or something, it's just like, oh, a nice surprise. It's not just like straight up like afro, like curly hair. I'm sure you guys noticed that I didn't use any product for today's unit, and I also didn't like make the hair soaking wet. I only really focused that on the top portion just to make sure that this lays a little bit flatter. It's more tamed at the top, but other than that, this is the natural state of the hair. I don't have anything, you know, making the curls pop a little bit more or anything like that. This is just how the hair naturally dries after you wash it, and it is just so beautiful. You guys can still see the definition of the curls, and this is the parting space down the center. I was thinking about using, like, you know, some concealer in my part just to help it stand out more, but I feel like, you know, it's fine. I don't necessarily have to do that, so I still like how that turned out, and it's almost like in a widow's peak ish. Not really, but it kind of is. So this is where the unit is hitting on me from the side and then from the back. Okay, she's a lot. And then sitting down, this is also what it's giving. Okay, she thick like peanut butter, okay, period. Yeah, this is what it's giving from the sides where it's hitting me. And then you guys already saw like where it was hitting me in the front, like you can see it right now. If you guys are interested, like I said, check out that description box down below. Thank you so much to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending over such a gorgeous unit. And of course, I want to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.
Nadula.